it's raining, so I'm gonna record because that makes sense, right? I'm actually not sure if that makes sense. Let's see. Ugh, that was a bad throw. Ugh, I'm a horrible throw. Oh no, there's other humans. Nah. Ooh, did it break? Let's try to catch it. Seriously? How did holding a camera in one hand and catching a fidget spinner with my other hand? Oh, missed it. Okay, people are looking at me strange. I'm gonna have to go into my backyard to record. Oh no, it's raining hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, it spun midair, yes. Amazing trick. Spinning midair fidget spinner. Ooh, spunny spin. Spun, spinny. Spin, spun, spoon, spin. Spun, spoon. Ugh. Still, I have a horrible throw. I need YouTube revenue, so I'm clickbaiting with fidget spinners. Yeah. Spot the fidget spinner. 99.99% fail. By the way, my intention is not to destroy this, but this is the cancer spinner. It gives you cancer or something, IDK. Like, seriously, it says in the box or something. Seriously. I think I'm going to have to use iMovie to edit this because I'm going to have to upload every single one of these clips to YouTube. And that would suck. So I just use, and then I have to edit them together. And I don't want to upload everything. So not doing that, not being a professional YouTuber. And the drop test area is being used right now. So I can't use it. Yeah. Sure. That sounds good. What am I supposed to do? I need revenue, but I need 10,000 views. So view this video, please. That would be very nice if you did that. Please. Or else I will not have revenue. Well, if you're watching up to this point, then you're viewing it. Clickbait with spinners. As usual. Everyone did it. But I didn't catch on to a trend. I only had like 2 videos involving fidget spinners. One of them was after a trend died, and one was with the trend. But why am I doing this? Because I'm bored.